Hello my lovely viewers. Today is Sunday and Sundays always inspire me to cook. Today I am going to cook coconut bhetki. Bhetki, you know, bhetki fish. For this you require 1 kg of bhetki fish cut into big pieces and about 100 grams of poppy seeds, 1 onion cut into small pieces to be grinded in the mixie, and 2 chilies, some amount of small pieces of garlic and small pieces of ginger. Now I am going to make a paste of this garlic, ginger, green chilies and this onion and this poppy seeds. Also for this I need some small cut onions. Onions should be cut into very small pieces. Have onions, 2 onions cut into very small pieces, and about 200 grams of coconut milk available in the market, and masala, powdered masala required is only little turmeric and salt as per taste. Now I am going to make the paste. So I am putting this poppy seeds about 100 grams and 1 onion cut into small pieces, 2 chilies, little garlic and little onion, little garlic and little ginger, not onion. Onion I have already given. And I'll put some salt in this. I am putting about 1 teaspoon of salt in this. Now the paste is done. See, like this. This preparation will be made in ghee. So I have taken 2 karais together. In one karai I will fry the fish and the other karai I will prepare the gravy simultaneously. So I am putting ghee, 1 spoon, and I will see if it is required I will put more. Otherwise, I think it will be sufficient, this amount of ghee. These days, all dietitians are suggesting to have some amount of ghee in our diet. So that way, ghee is allowed. And this is you can see, fish normally we do not hear of making with ghee. It is made with mostly, preferably mustard oil or coconut oil as per South Indian dishes. But this bhetki, coconut bhetki, is prepared only in ghee. You can see ghee is getting heated in both the karais. Now I will fry the fish. For that I will put salt, 1 teaspoon of salt and some turmeric powder, and mix them well with the pieces of fish. Turmeric and salt should be very well mixed with the fish. Otherwise, later on when you eat, it doesn't taste good. In some place you find lot of salt and in some other place no salt. So I've seen some people have tendency, they don't like to touch the fish, I think. So they mix it like this. But then it is not the proper mixing actually. For mixing turmeric and salt, you should touch the fish pieces with lot of love and care and mix them with turmeric powder and salt like I am doing now. Now I am increasing the flame Now you can see ghee is hot in both the karais. So in this karai, I am putting this onion, small cut onion pieces. And in this karai, I am going to fry the fish. You have to be very careful so that the fish is not getting stuck in the karai. Now you can see the onions are properly fried. Now I will mix this paste, this onion, ginger, garlic, chili and poppy seeds paste in this gravy. Now I'm frying this paste, grind this paste along with the small cut onion in ghee, reducing the flame so that it doesn't get burnt, the gravy. I'm adding little turmeric in the gravy. Also some water. And let it boil. This masala. I have already put salt in this while grinding, so there is no need to put any additional salt. And no more turmeric also, because we fried the fish with turmeric and salt. There is enough turmeric. Now I am transferring the fish with this bowl. See. And the gravy is getting ready here. Now it's ready. I will just add the coconut milk in the gravy. About 250 ml of coconut milk as available in the market. Now can you see the curry? How beautiful it looks now, see? White and yellow, light yellowish color. And then I will put this gravy on the fish. I will not put the fish on this because then this is a soft fish, you know, it may break. The pieces may break. So I will pour the gravy on this. I'll boil it for say 30 seconds more. Let it boil and then pour it on the fish. I had some ghee left over in this frying pan where I fried fish. I am adding that ghee here. Now see the beautiful color. Isn't it looking delicious? See, the gravy is boiling now. So I am switching off the gas and transferring the gravy on the fish pieces. Done. Bhetki, coconut bhetki, fish mochi. Let me test.